We freak out when someone talks about editing germline genes in people. These are the genes in the reproductive cells that make sperm and eggs, essentially a la carte designing of people. Everybody seems to be able to see that's problematic, ethically and otherwise. Yet right under our noses, Big Ag is genetically engineering soil microbes. Why? Is the dirt that's been on this earth for millennia not good enough? Genetically modifying organisms in the dirt will have far-reaching effects that could be disastrous. The arrogance of biochemical engineers astounds me. The usual ag giants like Bayer, Syngenta, and BASF are manipulating yet another aspect of agriculture. They've packaged up these new biologicals with super herbicides like glyphosate and atrazine, with genetically modified seeds, put a bow on it, and called it regenerative agriculture. Well, I like the old regenerative agriculture with seed saving, crop rotation, livestock innovation, crop overlay. People can argue about the safety of glyphosate and atrazine, but one thing's for sure, Big Ag is going to have a proprietary lock on the whole of farming at the rate they're going. You're going to need the new GE microbes to nourish the GE seeds. 2 live GE microbes are currently being used on millions of acres of U.S. farms, and the EPA's website states they've registered 8 more. These are organisms like bacteria, fungi, viruses, algae, protozoa. Genetic modifications can move between species and national boundaries on the wind. When these are released into the environment, you can't gather them back up again. The regulatory agencies that oversee their use have no monitoring protocols on the spread and environmental effects. We don't know what genes have been modified. That's trade secret information that's redacted from most of the application documents. Experience tells us that monsters can emerge when you mess with microbiome balance, especially their genes. The EPA and the USDA need to step up regulatory review on biologicals. Here's another good reason to buy organic.